Okay, so let's start. Cheesecake. Okay. Okay, let's start. Now this I have baked in a doll tin. Okay, you get doll tin in a market. So I have baked this in a doll tin. Okay. So first we will just make a layers. Then I'll show you the cream. Okay. This is a vanilla sponge. If anybody interested in learning only sponge, you can contact me. The class is available. Let me know, Kajal, if any questions. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. Can you give me the whipped cream? Okay, I've already whipped the cream. Okay, in this I'm going to add Manama ka orange crush. Okay, not syrup, crush. Manama ka orange crush and strawberry crush, both. बिलीव मी दिस केक इज वेरी यम्मी. आप जब खाओगे ना तो आपको दोनों का टेस्ट आएगा, स्ट्रॉबेरी का भी और ऑरेंज का भी. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड इक्वल क्वांटिटी. ओके, इफ 3 tablespoon आई एम एडिंग ऑफ ऑरेंज, 3 of strawberry. Okay. Okay, so orange का मैंने डाला. Now I'm adding strawberry. Kajal, can you please beat this and come mix it properly. Check. We are mixing that with a beater. Okay, with the help of a beater. You can also mix it with a spatula. So I'll be moisturizing with water, only plain water. See, the cream is ready. So it has both taste, okay, orange and strawberry. If you want to ask anything, you can just ask in the comment box. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन. जो लेयर में आपने कट किया है ना, वही आपको बड़े से छोटा, छोटे से छोटा ऐसे प्लेस करना है. ओके, देन यू जस्ट, नॉर्मली हम जब केक करते हैं तो पैलेट नाइफ स्ट्रेट पकड़ते हैं एंड वी टर्न, राइट. इसमें आपको थोड़ा आड़ा पकड़ना है. ओके, तो ही वो डॉल शेप आएगा. ओके, अगेन मॉइस्चर इट. ओके, थोड़ा स्लैंट पकड़ना है आपको पैलेट नाइफ. Any questions, Kajal? Again, moisture it. मैंने आप लोगों को एक बार डोम शेप का केक दिखाया था, आप वैसे भी कर सकते हो. ओके, अगर आपके पास डॉल्टन नहीं है तो नॉर्मल टेन से भी आप वो शेप दे सकते हो, जैसे मैंने वो फ्लावर मेकिंग शेप में बताया था. तो यू कैन गिव अ डोम शेप इन दैट एंड प्लेस द डॉल. इवन यू कैन डू दैट. Now this is the second last layer. Now this cake is little trending nowadays. Pull me up. So I thought of showing you all that this cake. Okay, now this is the last one. Okay, Kajal, can you please give me the cream? The other cream, keep this. Put this inside. Okay, now with the help of this card, okay, this is a OHP sheet. I'll just इसको थोड़ा स्मूथ कर लेते हैं. Okay, and I'm removing all the extra creams on side, as I'm going to cover this cake with blue color cream. Okay, I'm making a blue color dress, so blue color cream से हम इसको cover करेंगे. Okay, I'm going to add 1 drop of blue color in this, 1 to 2 drops, not more. Gel color. Okay. So we'll cover this cake with a blue color cream. Hi Priya, hi Monadi, hi Sonika. Hope you all are enjoying this. Best part will come at the last. Just read this and come. Thank you Priya. Hi Nehal. Okay, so my blue cream is ready. Okay, blue color cream is ready. So we will just cover this cake with blue cream. Okay.
Yes, very much. Jayashree.
Just keep that ganache, no? Ganache inside. No one has any questions today? Hi Kavita. ओके जो भी कलर का आपको ड्रेस बनाना है पुलमी अप में, जस्ट रिमूव दैट. वो कलर की क्रीम से आप कवर कर लो. ठीक है, केक को आप वाइट से भी कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. सी फ्लुएंट का है क्या? स्क्रैपर की मदद से आई जस्ट मेक इट क्लीन फिनिश. Okay. Now I'll just shift this in my base board. Okay, for pull me up, like we have to prepare a ganache, white ganache. Okay, you have to take 150 gram of white chocolate and 100 grams of Amul fresh cream. Okay, you have to take white chocolate. White chocolate you have to take white compound chocolate. Okay, if you take 150 grams of white chocolate, you have to take 100 grams of Amul fresh cream. Okay, आपको इस तरह उसका गनाश बनाना है. ओके, इतना फ्लोइंग कंसिस्टेंसी में होना चाहिए ये. ओके, नाउ आई विल बी एडिंग ब्लू जेल कलर इनटू इट. See,
Finally, I can see you live.
who?
Kavita.
Kavita, yes. Happy to see you, Kavita. See, I've added blue gel color. I got this color. Okay.
The ganache turn hard because it is very difficult to handle white chocolate.
White chocolate
Very difficult to
to
handle.
handle, but I'm not setting it. Okay, I'm using it immediately. मेरे को ये immediately I just melted it. Okay, और इसमें मैंने जेल कलर डाल दिया है. So okay, now the best part is going to come. Now this is a OHP sheet. Okay, मैंने इसको सिर्फ रोल किया है, सेलो टेप लगाया है. So I'll be just going to place this on top. Hope it's straight. And press a little, okay, because I'm going to pour this ganache into it, so I don't want it to come out first. So OHP sheet आप रख के थोड़ा सा हल्का सा इसको प्रेस कर दो. Okay, now I'm going to pour this ganache. It's not falling, right? Okay, knock it down. Plate, white plate लेना. Okay, I poured this ganache.
Sonika, but when we have to deliver the cake, how does it work?
You will have to give that in a packing, okay, and you will have to explain them. You can't this thing, if they want to do, just pack the ganache in a pouch and give the glitter to them, give a doll to them and let them do. Just explain them, okay. अभी ये मैं glitter डाल रही हूँ. This is not the stationary ones, okay. This glitter is edible. You get in a bakery shop. So it's edible. Don't buy the stationary ones and put in this. Okay. Okay. So after putting this glitter, I'm going to put little sprinkles, okay, silver color sprinkles, balls. Okay, and then place this doll. Okay. In the center. See, like this. Okay. It's in the center. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this up. Just keep a plate, no?
Cake price 1 kg ka.
Okay, now first see this. Okay,
But in that packing won't become hard.
I'll just answer your question. Now let's go for this. Hope you all can see properly. Chalo, let's go for it. How is it looking, guys?